Be doing now exercise 6.2 of your chapter integers. So the first question is, using the number line write the integer which is 3 more than 5, and here I am doing another question, that is D, 3 less than minus 2. So both of these questions I am doing over here. We have to make a number line and then we have to do. What is the meaning of more? More means we have to add. Okay, 3 more than 5 means we have to add. When we add on number line, we always move towards which direction? Towards right hand side direction. If more अगर आता है तो आपको right direction में move करना है, और अगर negative number less आता है तो आपको left direction में move करना है. Okay, so it is 3 more than 5, मतलब आपको किसको locate करना होगा, 3 को या 5 को? Yes, 5 को, क्योंकि 5 से 3 ज़्यादा. Okay, so here you will mark 1, 2 and 3. On which number you have reached? You have reached on 8. So you will encircle it like this. Now it is 3 less than minus 2. Minus 2 से 3 और कम हो जाएगा. तो किस डायरेक्शन में मूव करोगे आप? लेफ्ट या फिर राइट? इफ लेस देन इज देयर देन यू विल मूव इन द left direction. So you will move it like this, minus 2. Okay, minus 2 is given, less than, so 1, 2 and 3. So here you have reached on number 5. So in this way you have to mark. Remember this thing, if less than, left direction, if more than, then right direction. Now the second question is, use the number line and add the following integers. Two integers, adding two integers on number line we have seen in the video previously. Now if there are three integers, how we will add them on number line? Let us see. So our first integer is minus 2. अब यहाँ पे ये 8 ब्रैकेट में नहीं लिखा है, नो प्रॉब्लम, क्योंकि अगर 8 के पास कोई साइन नहीं लगा है दैट मीन्स वो हमेशा प्लस के साइन के साथ होता है, तो हम हमेशा पॉजिटिव नंबर्स को बिना साइन के लिख सकते हैं. ओके, नॉर्मली आपने देखा होगा, तो डोंट गेट कंफ्यूज. लेकिन जो नेगेटिव नंबर्स हैं वो ब्रैकेट में ही आपको लिखने हैं. सो वेयर इज माइनस 2? यू, एज आई टोल्ड अर्लियर ऑल्सो, कि आप डायरेक्टली माइनस 2 को ऐसे भी लोकेट कर सकते हैं 0 से, और या फिर डायरेक्टली आप माइनस 2 को यहाँ से कंसिडर कर सकते हैं. सो दिस इज माइनस 2 एंड वी हैव टू ऐड प्लस 8. तो प्लस अगर होगा तो हमें किस डायरेक्शन में मूव करना है? प्लस 8 है ना, तो पॉजिटिव है, तो पॉजिटिव डायरेक्शन मीन्स राइट डायरेक्शन. सो वी विल मूव 8 स्टेप्स फॉरवर्ड. सो दिस इज 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, and we have reached on number 6. Okay, we have reached on number 6. Now what we have to do? We have to again move 4 steps backward. Why? Because minus sign is given over here, so we will move in the left direction from here. Now this is the new point. 2 minus 2 plus 8 is 6. Now we will move 4 steps backward. 1, 2, 3, 4. On which number we have reached? We have reached on number 2. So the answer will be minus 2 plus 8 plus minus 4 equals to plus 2. Is it clear? In this way you will add 3 numbers on number line. Make it more clear, okay? Otherwise you can make one line also, okay, to make it more clear. So our next question is question number 3. Add without using number line. So we have to add them directly. The rules I have given you. So here 1 is negative and 1 is positive. So what we will do? We will subtract over here. Okay, subtraction होगा, और साइन किसका आएगा? जो भी ग्रेटर नंबर होगा. तो इन दोनों में ग्रेटर कौन सा है? यू कैन सी 18. सो लेट अस फर्स्ट सब्ट्रैक्ट. तो अगर आप लिखना चाहते हैं तो आप इस तरीके से लिख सकते हैं, माइनस 13, बिकॉज वी आर एडिंग, सो वी विल यूज दिस प्लस साइन ओवर हियर, एंड प्लस 18 किसका होगा? 18 को हम एज इट इज ऐसा भी लिख सकते हैं. लेकिन अगर आप कंफ्यूज होते हैं देन डोंट डू दिस थिंग. ओके, डायरेक्टली इन रफ वर्क व्हाट यू हैव टू डू? यू हैव टू जस्ट सब्ट्रैक्ट. ओके, 18 minus 13. 8 minus 3 is 5 and this is 0. So the answer will be 5. Okay, now since it is positive, it is greater, so in answer we will put plus sign. So 13 minus 13 plus 18 will be 5. If you want to write this step, write this step also, minus 13 plus 18. Okay, and you can enclose this one in bracket and you can leave this one, because always positive numbers are written without sign. Now solve this question. Both are negative. So what we will do, we will add. दोनों के साइन क्या है, नेगेटिव है, then we will add over here. Okay, so write it like this, minus 217. You have to enclose them in bracket. In solution also you will write them again, minus 100. And in rough work, what you are going to do, you are going to add both the numbers without sign. Okay, 7, 1 and 3. So the answer is 317. Since both of them have negative sign, so we can take common sign and put it over there. So the answer will be minus 317. Now rest of the question you have to do on your own. So the next question is, find the sum of minus 50, minus 200 and 300. So we have to add them. So first we will write them like this in bracket, minus 50 plus, because we have to add, so we will put plus sign, minus 200 plus, this is of plus sign, so plus 300. Okay, now the next step will be minus 50 plus minus 200 plus 300. Okay, remove the sign and write it like this. You have to understand कि ये बिना sign के भी लिखा जा सकता है. Okay, now what we will do first we will add the numbers with the common sign. Okay, so हम इन दोनों को add करेंगे. So we will add 250. Okay, both have negative sign, so it will be 250, and we will put their common sign, so it will be minus 250. Both of them we will add first. Now we will put write 300. Okay, so minus 250 and 300, one minus and one positive. So what we will do, we will now here subtract. Okay, so subtract 300 minus 250, 0, 10 में से 5 गए तो 5 and here 0. So how much the answer will be? The answer will be 50. Now which sign is going to come? Minus 250 is greater or 300? Yes, 300 is greater and 300 is positive. Positive numbers can be written without sign also, but negative numbers cannot be written. Okay, so the answer will be plus 50. In this way you will add. So if there are 3 or more than 3 numbers, first add the numbers with the common sign. ओके, ज़्यादा जिनका साइन होगा, जैसे कि यहाँ पे 2 नंबर्स हैं और इन दोनों के कॉमन साइन नेगेटिव है, सो फर्स्ट आप उनको ऐड करेंगे, देन उसके बाद एक नंबर बन जाएगा वो, उसके बाद आप नेक्स्ट ऑपरेशन करेंगे. ओके, so here you have to find the sum. So for finding the sum, first what you will do, you will group the numbers with the common sign को group कर लेंगे. ऑलरेडी यहाँ पे तो क्वेश्चन में ग्रुप्ड है. सपोज इफ़ यहाँ पे -7 + 4 फिर -9 ऐसा दिया होता तो पहले आप -9 को इस तरीके से ग्रुप करके लिखते. ओके, सो दैट इट विल बी ईजी फॉर अस to add. So the next step will be, we will add both these numbers first. Okay, so here what you can do, you can make a you can put a bracket so that it will be easy for you that you are going to add these numbers first. Okay, so -7 and -9 you will add it over here. So 7 + 9 is 16. So you will write it over here 16. Since both have minus sign, so -16 and enclose in bracket. Now you will add both these numbers. Okay, so put a bracket over here also. So 16 + 4 is 20 plus 20. If you want, you can write it in bracket, or else you can leave it like this also. So now what we have to do? 1 negative, 1 positive? Yes, we will subtract. So 20 minus 16. 20 minus 16 will be 0, 4. Okay. So we will write only 4 over here. 20 is greater, so the sign will be of plus. So this will be the answer. So see this question. This is question B. Now here only one positive is there and all the other numbers are negative. So first you will add all these numbers. So you will group them and you will add them. So write it over here. 37 plus, put a large bracket, then minus 2 plus minus 65 plus minus 8. See, this can also be written like this, minus 2 minus 65 minus 8, that we will learn when we will subtract the integer, when we will study subtraction of integer at that time. Okay, so here 37, we can write it like this also, and you can add all the three numbers once, or what you can do, you can first add two numbers and then can add the another number. It is up to you. Okay. So here what you will do, you will just add all the numbers together. So 8 plus 2 is 10, plus 5 is 15, carry 1, 6 plus 1 is 7. So this will become 75. Now all the numbers have negative sign in them. So we will put the common sign and we will enclose it in bracket. Now 75 minus 37. Why? Because one positive, one negative. So 75 minus 37 will be minus 38. Why minus? Because it is 75 is greater than 73. That's why in the answer we will put the minus sign. So in this way you will solve this exercise.